Hello, welcome back to Simple Trends. With the idli batter we made, we are going to make 4 interesting recipes to give a colorful and tasty avatar to our plain idli batter. The first one is podi uthappam with vegetables. I have taken 1 onion, 2 carrots, 1 capsicum, 2 green chilies, a small piece of ginger, a few curry leaves and a handful of coriander leaves. This is the idli podi or melaga podi, the spiced lentil powder which I will sprinkle on top for added taste. We will grate the carrots and ginger and finely chop the vegetables. On a kadai, I add 3 spoons of cooking oil. Heat it, add half a teaspoon mustard, allow it to splutter. Add a pinch of hing. Add the vegetables and saute it for a while. The onions, ginger, green chili, a little turmeric powder, carrots, curry leaves. After a minute, add the capsicum and the salt. Cook for a few minutes and add the coriander leaves. Switch off the stove. Heat a dosa tawa. Add a big ladle of batter. Keep the flame on low now. Don't spread it too much. Add the vegetables. Top it with a little idli podi. Add a spoon of oil along the sides. Close and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on a low flame. Flip it carefully and cook on the other side. Cook it for a minute. You can see it is cooked now. Yummy uthappam is ready to be served. With the same batter, we will make Kuzhi Paniyaram. This can be served for breakfast as well as snacks. For this, I have taken 1 large bowl of idli batter, 1 carrot, a few pieces of finely chopped coconut, 1 onion, 1 teaspoon toasted coconut. This is grated coconut which I have roasted on a low flame. This gives a good taste to the paniyaram. 1 chili and a piece of ginger, a few curry leaves and a little hing or asafoetida. I will grind the chili and ginger so it is not very spicy when children eat it. I have chopped the carrots and onions finely. Add the chili ginger paste, coconut pieces, carrots, onion, curry leaves, toasted coconut, hing and a little salt. The idli batter has salt in it, so I am going to add salt only for the vegetables. Mix it well. It is shallow fried, so it needs very less oil. It can be sent in the snack box too for children. This is the paniyaram mold. Heat it. Add 1/4 teaspoon of any cooking oil in each mold. Reduce the flame. When you begin pouring the batter in the molds, start from the side and come to the center, as the center comes directly under the stove and cooks faster. Close it and cook on a low flame for 3 to 4 minutes. Open and check. You can see it has cooked well. Flip it slowly and cook for a minute. Golden brown spicy paniyarams are ready to be served along with chutney. The next one is a twist to the same idli. I have a few leftover idlis which I will convert to masala fried idli with less oil. Even children who don't like to eat idlis will love to eat after idli gets this makeover. I have cut 6 idlis to small pieces. For tempering, I have taken half a teaspoon mustard and 1 teaspoon urad dal and a few curry leaves. I have chopped 1 onion finely, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon sambar powder, salt and half a teaspoon of garam masala. You can add the spices according to your taste. And 2 tablespoons of gingerly oil. Add the oil in a pan and heat it. Add mustard, urad dal, curry leaves and temper. Now add the onions. Fry them for a minute. Add salt and the masala powders and cook. Now add the idlis and cook on a low flame for 5 to 6 minutes. Ensure that the masala coats on all the pieces evenly. After 5 to 6 minutes, the idlis will turn crisp. Keep turning and tossing them over to cook on all sides. Masala fried idli is now ready. The last snack item we will see for today is Idli maavu Kunukku. This is a savior when we have unexpected guests and are running short of snacks at home. A crispy fried snack which goes well with a cup of coffee or tea. I have taken 1.5 cups of idli batter, a few chopped coconut pieces for the crunch, 1 finely chopped onion, 1 finely chopped green chilli, 4 tablespoons of suji or rava. Adding rava will make the batter thick and it gives a crispy texture. A few curry leaves, hing and a little salt. I am adding salt only for the rava and spices as my idli batter already has salt in it. Add everything together and mix them well. Leave it aside for 10 minutes. Heat oil in a kadai for deep frying. You can see the batter is thick now. I am going to drop the batter in the hot oil using a spoon. You can fry 3 to 4 at the same time. Now fry the kunukku by keeping the flame low. Cook for a few minutes till it turns golden brown. It will be crunchy on the outside and soft inside. Yummy tasty kunukku is ready now. Remove it and place it on a tissue to remove the excess oil. Our evening crunchy snack is ready to be served. Hope you enjoyed watching this. See you all in another interesting and useful video. Till then, stay tuned to Simple Trends, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get instant updates on our new videos. Bye.